So if any of you are part of the VIP or email, you guys already got the Zoom link that I already sent out, so that you guys can join if you guys want, or you can stay on there. Okay, almost done. Now, okay, cool. I'm like 3 steps away in this visualization, but this is gonna make a lot of sense. Layer, move back. Black and yellow, black and yellow. Hope everyone's having a great Sunday. You guys ready to learn AI? How to make money with AI? How to use AI in your business? Oh, this is actually dope. I'm very visual at the end of the day, so it's like this will help everyone visualize because we gotta talk about AI employees. That's the thing. AI employees are now in your business. You're gonna hire more AI employees than actual. Send to back. Okay, and then one more layer, send backwards. So now we got the fonts. Okay, cool. Now let me just do a little formatting. That looks good. Nice. Oh, this is gonna look dope. Because I got to give a presentation to real estate agents, mortgage lenders, attorneys, and title companies all next month. So they want to know, they're paying me a lot of money to know how to actually use AI in their business. So this is going to be the setup. Funny how it all starts with Mac. Oh, that's actually pretty dope. And then I need a catchy name for this. The AI steps to success. AI, how to make money with AI, how to leverage AI. AI. I'm gonna go to ChatGPT to come up with some dope names for this. Actually, let me give this screenshot. Go to ChatGPT. It's actually gonna be pretty cool. I built this stairway to help entrepreneurs understand where to start with and then where to ascend as far as how to leverage AI in their business to grow their leads, grow their sales, and automate their business. I need both a title and a subtitle to represent this slide, and then also give me feedback on how I could improve this slide. Cool. Okay, so ChatGPT is the first one to see this, so now ChatGPT knows about it. Let's get some coffee. Whoa, we dropped only 4 entrepreneurs. We gotta get those numbers up. We gotta wait till we get at least. I'll do the likes instead. If you guys hit the like button once we get to 1,000 likes, we can start the show. Hit that like button a couple times. Boom. It's just gonna wake up the algorithm, so the algorithm's like, yo, entrepreneurs are really hungry about learning AI. They're like, yo, we need to AI powered growth. Okay, I like that. AI powered growth. It's a version 1. I could care less, honestly. It's like just a version 1 to get this going. Hit that like button a couple times. Come on, wake up the algorithm. That way, the algorithm can actually show. There you go. Hit that like. Almost there. Marketing solutions. Adding text. Appreciate it. Welcome, welcome. And then we can start. I'm literally done. I'm done. Let me just kind of see how it is. And then I gotta add my, there's a lot of text. Let's make that, start with the right tools. Cool. And then let me add my logo. Because I gotta brand it. If you guys are just gonna share this on LinkedIn, like, I'm not gonna give you guys credit for that. Like, you guys gotta give credit where credit is due. Cool. I'll just use this. Start, download. Give me this as a JPEG. Okay, we're ready to brand, ready to go. We're technically early from the 6 p.m. show. That's why people haven't showed up yet. So thank you for the likes. Thank you for the likes. Just a few more likes, just a few more, and then we're ready to rock. This is literally going to be like, okay, I understand the game now. This is how AI. Oh, you guys appreciate it. Alfredo's putting double time. He's like, yo, get them likes up. He's like, look, people, it's like, you guys want to make money with AI. John be dropping mad knowledge. SimpleTechSkills.com. I like that. I'm happy with that. That actually looks really dope, actually. Nice. AI powered growth. Step by step guide for entrepreneurs. Step by step guide. Start with the right tools and scale your business with automation, agents, and marketing solutions. All right. I'm impressed with this. This is dope. All right, we hit the 1K. Perfect timing. Let's start the show. Dope, dope, dope. I'm actually very proud. And again, I encourage you guys to take screenshots of this. Let me grab my cool slide, my fancy. We're getting fancy with this, and then let me put you guys on the stand, and then we can start cooking. I appreciate you guys' patience. You guys know I'm always going to over deliver, give you guys tips. Pro tip: whenever you create content, just make sure you always clean the lens. Okay. All right. Make sure we got everything nice and set up. Oh, I'm excited to show this. That looks dope. Okay, so let me just do a quick introduction for everyone in the room who has never met me. My name is Jonathan. I'm Dr. AI. If you're struggling with leads and sales and how to use AI in your business, this is the live stream to actually show you step by step. I do not gatekeep on the show. I will answer all your questions on what are the best AI tools, how to actually use it in your business so that you could grow your dream business, quit your 9 to 5, and make that FU money at the end of the day. So, ooh, and then, so what I have here, powered by coffee. Where are you today to where you need to be when it comes to AI in your business? I'm going to show you the step-by-step path. This doesn't exist anywhere on the internet. I'm like the leading AI expert. This doesn't exist. This is so cutting edge because I just hired my first AI employee. So I'm like, we're at the one pinnacle. Next month we're going to add another pinnacle. Okay, you guys ready? Oh, this is so dope. This is, I encourage you all to take a screenshot, but of course you guys gotta give me credit too. Okay, this is the path from where you need to start to where you need to get to, and you can't skip. If you skip, you miss out. Like, you're not going to get the full foundation as you start and grow. Each one of these steps is not only going to save you a ton of time, but it's also going to make you more money, both in your business and as a skill set. This right here does not, can you move the screen up? Hell yeah. Let me know. Say like there, for example. How's that? There we go. I encourage you. Comments are blocking it. I got you guys. Oh, actually, I know how to do that. Okay, I got you. Helping. Bear with me. There we go. Oh, yeah, we're getting fancy now. All right, how's that? Give me a yes in the chat if you can see that nice and clear. And again, I highly recommend take a screenshot. Perfect. All right, cool. Take a screenshot, everyone. Highly recommend it. Plus, also, give me a shout out, give me a plug, because this is, you got to give credit where credit is due. Always, I credit my sources. Oh my gosh, this is wild. Okay, so if you're like John, how do I use AI in my business, and where do I need to start? You need to start with hardware. You need to start with the right hardware, meaning if you're using PC or Microsoft Office, you're doomed. You're never going to play with any of these never going to be able to play with any of these good things. If I make a recommendation, it's because these are the best tools that people are already making money in their business and leveraging. So, number one, you need the right hardware. You need to invest in a Mac. I mean, Macs honestly are like $500 for a Mac Mini, so it's not even that expensive. I don't recommend free tools because cheap tools, cheap results. Next one, once you have the right hardware, I'll show you the slide for the 12 productivity tools that you need to stay productive. Actually, let me show you guys that slide too. Bam. These are the 12 tools you need. Actually, I could actually change it up a little. Hold on. Let me give this to ChatGPT and say, hey, extract text. And then here, take a screenshot because I need to update this actually. So bear with me. Always got to update your slides. It's like, yo, okay. Go to ChatGPT. Bing. It's going to give me my text. Thank you for ChatGPT, my AI personal assistant. These are the best AI tools out there that are helping you get more done in a day than most do in a week. I appreciate it. Hit that like button a couple times if you're finding If you're like, yo, these are the secrets. Let's go left. Let's also then go from here. We're going to just number this. And then take that, go to the 30. Perfect. Look at that. Nice. Because we could get rid of Mac here. You already know about Mac. I'll find another AI tool next, which actually is, we could come up with another one. Well, actually, it's now HeyGen and 11 Labs. AI clone avatar. So actually we're still back to 12. That's actually dope. And then hold on, you guys know I gotta slap a logo on it because you guys be sharing these things and not giving credit. It's like, what's up? Come on now. Don't be stingy. Okay, cool. I'll just put that right there. Okay, and then we could put this right here. Okay, so these are the 12 tools that you need for productivity in your business. You need your dailies, ChatGPT and DeepSeek. We could also throw in Perplexity in there too. So ChatGPT, DeepSeek, and Perplexity, those are for like big projects and research. You got Cider for small, it pretty much, I don't want to say small tasks, but for writing, AI writing. Assistant, and then let me make this smaller. Cool, yeah, that makes much more sense. Cool, yeah, that makes much more sense. All right, then we have Cider for AI writing assistant, Gling for AI video editing, Fireflies for AI note taking. You could also use Fathom, doesn't matter. HeyGen 11 Labs, clone AI avatar, AI chatbots. It's not just chat based, but it's actually chat based and Closebot. So chat-based and Closebot for AI chatbots, Canva for graphic design, Make.com, and so Make, ClickUp, and N8N for automations. Yep, that makes sense. Yep, Make, ClickUp, N8N for automations, Notion for digital notebook, TickTick for task and project management, Streamlabs for live streaming, and the TikTok app for actually recording content. I feel like we also need Buffer in here. Buffer for scheduling content. It's pretty good. Nice. Claude for coders. Yeah, let's throw that. Definitely right. Claude for coding. And then Replit for AI app building. It's going to get smaller and smaller. Oh, wait, hold on. Put this right though. Okay, yeah. Way better. Way better. Okay, we could move you down here. Okay. We'll just say top AI tools at this point. Top AI tools for daily use for peak productivity. Elite productivity. And then I don't need I need top, because I gotta give this presentation to like real estate agents and like attorneys and investors, and they're like, we want the best of the best. Nice. Let me know. Vimeo, we could do Vimeo, but that kind of Fathom also. I'll put Fireflies and Fathom, because Oksana in the community, she's using Fathom and it does video recording too, which I'm intrigued. So AI note taking and video and so AI meeting, note taking and video. Let me know if I'm missing anything other of like, these are like the best of the best. Gling for video editing, Fathom for AI video note taking, HeyGen 11 Labs for AI clone avatar, Chatbot Closebot for AI chatbots. For AI chatbots, we'll just say AI chatbots for marketing or for lead generation. Yeah, they're more for lead generation. Canva, should we also put websites in here? Because like, yeah, let's do marketing system, that's going to be high level, or system IO. Okay, this is getting, we got to make this even smaller. Okay, actually, hold on. I need some text right here. So here, I'm going to put that here, and then take this guy and put him down here. Canva, yep, that's perfect. Perfect. Damn, getting dope. Okay, so what else do we have here? Yep, you have it, right? So HeyGen for AI clone avatar, chatbot and closebot for AI chatbots and lead generation, marketing system, high level or system IO, automation. I feel like we should do the, well, no, because these are the tools. So what tool and what are we using them for? So it actually is, that's why this is not following my format. Marketing systems. Damn, this is fire right here. This is kind of cool because we'll update this too. AI guide number 5. Let me know. Yeah, chatbot. If you guys have questions or like things and stuff like that, like this is Apify for AI agent and tools. Apify AI agents and tools. Shout out to Cool AI guy Dennis in the chat. He is the GOAT when it comes. Apollo AI. Yep. What do you want to say Apollo AI is for? And then Apify for MCP, Dennis? Let me know. I think it's just a 3-second delay. So what is Apollo? Okay, yep, and then we'll do MCP protocol. And then Apollo AI for, how do you want to describe? Scraping? Web scraping? Web scraper. Okay, web scraping. Perfect. Nice. Getting smaller. Okay. Yep, go ahead. Again, take a screenshot, but also provide feedback too if there's anything else I'm kind of missing, because it's also, this is like collectively we could all learn, stay ahead. So it's like, okay, cool. But lead generation used with Sales Navigator. Nah, I don't want to put Sales Navigator as more. This is just like, hey, I need an AI tool for just productivity, just like day to day. Like, what's going to be your main tech stack? There's going to be other ones. Browser flow. Okay, so Apollo, you want to use browser flow? So browser flow for web scraping. Apollo can also be used for it. So let's see if that looks good. But also lead gen, LinkedIn sales, okay. Because I treat lead gen as like, they're going to contact, oh, Vappy. Dang. How could we split? Vappy. Bland for AI voice agents, and it gets smaller. The font size is going to be like 10. So we can do Replit, and then Cursor, and then is it, what was the other one? Bubble. Is Bubble, okay, so you're the expert. Bubble.io. What's up, Erica? Good to see you. We're kind of collectively polling the audience to kind of put together like what are the best AI tools. Bubble.io is one of the top. Good to know, because this is also how we also find out too. So these are the top. Basically, the goal is like, what are the top, whether it be AI or software, that entrepreneurs need in their day-to-day arsenal for them to get more done when it comes to anything in marketing, sales, operations, stuff like that. So what's up, Alberto? Good to see you, man. This is advanced. Okay, wait, let me go back to the first slide so we could catch up everyone else. This is the AI powered growth step-by-step guide for entrepreneurs, where to start with and then where to grow as far as like the categories. We have to fix the hardware, software, the marketing tools. Did I do marketing tools twice? I did do marketing tools twice. So it's content. This one's actually content. Content. That's shorts. Well, um, let's just do categories. Shorts, long form, live streams. Because I kind of want this to be the folder, like the main categories, and then, especially when it comes to AI productivity tools, then this one goes into this slide where basically just this step right here for software, then the software, this is like the software tech stack. Now, of course, not everyone's going to be using all of these, for example, but this is going to give you majority of what is in the software category as of today, Sunday, March 23rd. Like literally this is going to change every month. What's up, Sharon? Good to see you, Sharon. Welcome. This is turning out to be a gangster slide. I'm going to also post this in the community as well too. Lots of goodies. Yeah, this is the goodie list. These tools will help you get more done in a day than most do in a week. I like that. Streamlabs. We also, well, Streamlabs also does video recording, so you don't need OBS technically for that too. Cider, Gling, AI, System.io, Make.com, ClickUp, NAN, Digital Notebook, TickTick, Streamlabs, Buffer, because I use most of these as well too. So, Comfy UI. What's Comfy UI? Oops. Comfy UI for content gen. Oh, interesting. Visual storytelling. Oh, wait, hold on. Most powerful open source node for creating AI. Unlock with AI. Images are. What's the price of this? Price is there? Wait, so it's open source? Open source node base and free. Yo, Post Architect. Hold on, I gotta follow you. And follow. You're dropping some mad knowledge. Instant follow. So Post Architect Kit in the community. Man, okay, so at this point we're gonna do 2 slides. Let's duplicate this. Let's continue on with the part 2. And then, because then we can start. You're right. There's okay. Let's do images, which is Midjourney. Ideogram for AI images. Then you have Kling, and is it Hailu? I always mispronounce how I spell it. Hailu AI. Hailu. Okay, Hailu AI. So this one's for AI video. I'll flip these around later with ChatGPT, so it's category and then tools. But this is good enough. Actually, let me do that real quick. Hold on. ChatGPT. Flip the order so it's function first, then dash, and then tools. Oops. Nope. Let's see if okay, cool. There we go. Much better. So we can do category first and that. So thank you, ChatGPT. See, it's so nice to like ChatGPT saves us time. Because that makes more sense. Because I'd rather look for the feature first. And then, okay, hold on. And then I'll catch up with your comments. Sorry, I'm behind on the comments. But this will make more sense where it's like, oh, what category in software? And then this is going to be a gangster list. For everyone inside the AI community, you'll also get this as well too. Okay, I think we could dove this or cut it probably here. I want to do, let's do 14 instead of 13. Okay, and then we can make this bigger. Because, like, not gonna lie, whenever you do font size, you technically want the font size with the age of your audience, like, in a good way. Okay, wait, then here we can, okay, and then, like, we can do AI images, and then we could do AI video. That makes more sense. Shout out to, okay, I'm also, oh, hold on, I'm catching up to the comments now. That makes way more sense. And then change this to 42 because we got to do like a part 1, part 2. Okay, that makes sense. Okay, so now let me catch up to Manus. I know. Okay, so I'm going to catch up to, okay, so I'm catching up to Runways to AI video. So Runway's going to go here. Then Luma Dream Machine. Yep. So if I'm not mistaken, Luma Dream is also in video. GitHub. Everyone knows GitHub though. Airtable. Airtable will be in this category for automations. So that's going to be Airtable. It's technically ClickUp, Airtable, and then make.com N8N. Perfect. Okay, I'm catching up. Images, another app for no code. So no code is over here. Was it app coding, but where's the app builder one? Oh, it's on the next slide? Yeah, app builder. Okay, here. So we'll add that one to here, which is Imagica. I feel also Lovable is also probably there as well too. Cool AI guy. I haven't used it yet, but does look super useful as this week. Nice. Dude, Post Architect, welcome to the fam. Like Manus. So let's do you want to call them AI agents or AI avatars? Or operators? Let me know if there's like a better name. I'm not going to put ChatGPT there because it's just trash. And actually Rue for everyone. Rue's the new one that just came out that is basically Manus, but it runs on VS Code, and you only pay for tokens, and there's no you can download and start using it today. So then you could also use browser use. Cool. Napkin for AI visual. Yep, that's actually a really good one too. You guys are awesome. Thank you, Logan. Appreciate all the collaboration, everyone. So infographics, napkin.ai, right? Because John can spell. I'm making a mobile app but don't know anything about marketing and ads. Yep, we can definitely get into that as well too. Luma AI. Where's Luma AI? Which is that? I feel like that's a video, if I'm not mistaken. Oh my god, that's beautiful. So they're like video. Okay, cool. So video is here. Luma AI. Let's drop this down. Actually, I could just make this wider. Cool. Awesome, catching up. Pics and video for Luma. Thank you, Post Architect. That's good to know. Well, okay, so we'll actually put them here as well too. Luma.ai. Nice. Add Dumpling AI for better for Appify. Okay, so we have Appify here. I feel we can better categorize this. Like there's MPC protocols. I feel. Let me know if there's like a better way to describe this, because that's tools like Appify. We'll do that one. Dumpling AI. So hold on, that's a new one for me. Dumpling AI. I know a lot of people. Power your AI automation and agents. So AI automation and agents. AI powered. We'll do AI powered agents with possibly MCP protocol in there. I feel like MCP protocol should be something different because, yeah, MCP protocol. I feel like there should be something for that there. And then we could say AI powered agents, Appify, Dumpling. Okay, cool. Bolt.new. Oh, damn. damn, just exploded with comments. This is awesome. Okay, yes, and bolt not new. Okay. Did we do, you're right, I didn't do bolt.new. Let's bring this down a little more, make that about right there. Perfect, okay. AI agents, yeah, AI powered agents, thank you. Dennis, Codebase. Codebase is for, oh, Codebase for MCP or for AI powered agents, Dennis? Typeset over beautiful AI for presentations. We definitely need presentations. That's gamma. And then you put here typeset.ai. Okay, that makes sense. So Logan, thank you so much for sharing. Router, Sasha, router for what? I'm curious. Okay, is it router? Because again, I'm only asking because I'm like, oh, Open Router. Open Router I feel is going to be in the automation section over here, like Open Router. If that's, I don't think that's what you were talking about, but I love me some Open Router. We also have agentic systems available on our website that anyone can build. Nice. Auto clipping video into shorts. You're right. That's a great one. Eternal Glow. Okay, so we'll do repurposing content. There's Opus clip, and then what was it? It was like there's like repurpose, right? There was another one. It was like, was it repurpose? AI? Repurpose IO. There you go. Repurpose.io or repurpose AI. What was that? Repurpose IO. So we do repurpose IO. That way people can find them. Nice. Oh, we cooking tonight. We are cooking. Okay, so that's boom. Okay. NAN could be moved to NCP. Yeah, that's a good place to actually put it. You're right, because it's not just automations. It's really for MCP at that point. MCP protocols, automations. You're right. That's a good one. Agents, coding, Sesame AI. Oh yeah, do we have Vappy for voice? And then voice agents, Vappy, Bland, and then Sesame. Yep, gonna go here. Sesame, I don't want to touch it because then I'm never gonna have a girlfriend. Honestly. Okay, MCP, NAN, Appify, GitHub together. So then we're gonna move Appify out of here. Nice. Hedra AI. Ooh, nice one, Clay. Let's see what that is. Hedra AI is a content creation platform that allows you to generate images, videos, and everything. Ooh, interesting. This one's, oops, that's new. This is, let's see, let's save this. Hedra AI video and photo, I think it was. Create engaging content with this. This is also kind of cool because low-key, I'm also looking for something that does B-roll. As, oh wait, Hedra was, oh no, I'm thinking something else. Ooh.
The most powerful omnimodal Gen AI model in the world.
Okay, I immediately think of what is just, I just have to throw that out there. What is Umbrella Resident Evil the girl AI? I saw that and the sound, it immediately sounded like this. I'm probably gonna get copyright strike for saying that. Okay, I don't want to get copyright strike, but immediately I'm like, yeah. Okay, so Hedra does video. So if we go here, so we'll put Hedra here. Hedra.ai. They're all like .ai.io. Bam. Yep, Open Router. Okay, cool. Yeah, good to know, Sasha. I love me some Open Router. I'm a marketing and entrepreneurship student. Any advice? Yep, we'll go into a site from there. Hypnic Captions and InVideo.io. What this category? HitPic AI. What is AI photo? But what are like the best of the best, basically? That's what we're looking for. Captions AI. You're right. And I may be skipping over because at this point it's okay. So wait, captions. Oh, say hi with video. Oh yeah, AI clones. We need to add Creatify right there too. What do captions, products, tools? Yeah, AI avatars is a category now. Okay, let's put captions in AI avatars. Let's now create a new list. Duplicate. AI avatars. I guess here could be hey. Oh yeah, language dubbing. That's Hey Jen. AI avatars. 11 labs. Probably getting some duplicates, but that's okay. NVIDIA. Oh wait, and then captions. Captions.ai. Captions.ai, and then we also have Creatify. Is it Creatify AI? Creatify AI. Yeah, it's Creatify.ai. I'm not gonna lie, guys. This is a gangster list. This is like super dope. Plod AI. Okay, I'm like slow to catch up. PLUD.ai. Plod, because I also want to like learn what the. Oh yeah, Plod. So how do we want to describe these? Because this is now a new thing. So AI voice recorder. Okay, yeah, so let's do AI voice recorder. AI voice recorder. So that's PLEUD. That's what Anthony was talking about today. Plod.ai. There's the other one. Hold on, let me get the other one. There's another one in that category. Omni.me. So Omni. So this is another one. This one's open source, so okay, we're gonna put that. Omni.me. Is that right? Just make sure. Omni.me. Yeah, say hello to. Yeah, it's Omni. Wait, why do I feel? Why isn't it showing me? Hold on, I want to make sure. Omni.me. Because this is like some Black Mirror stuff for sure. For sure. But that, I mean, if you want to get into that, it's like also I feel Meta Ray-Bans also should be in that category. Figma for website, so website, Figma, Webflow. But Webflow, we want like, I'll put Webflow. Framer, Reloom, cool. Watched a video where two Sesame eyes were flirting with each other. Like that's like low key. That's gonna be the next season of like Love Island on Netflix. It's just two Sesame characters. They're all gonna be Sesame characters just talking to each other. Referring to the automation section, MindPal, MindStudio, Hunch, and Gunloop are in that area. Okay, so let's do. I kind of have to just. Okay. MindPal. Hold on. Because I just want to also learn about these. Build your workforce with AI, and this is also kind of cool. Build a workforce. MindPal, that's actually pretty cool. Okay, so that goes into MindPal. The other one is MindStudio. AI agents help you get things done. Oh, MindStudio, this was another one that people were talking about. Someone mentioned this one, so AI. I'm just gonna put AI agents, something like that. So MindStudio, and then Hunch tool. I know I'm super behind on the AI workforce. I'm like super behind on the comments. Oh, this looks interesting. I've seen. I like these type of workflow stuff, like, because Hunch reminds me of another one, which is Poppy. So Hunch.tools. So, oh no, wait, oops. Hunch.tools. We should do this once a week at the end of the day. Like, this is a great exercise. And then there's Poppy, which kind of does that. Poppy AI has that same type of like workflow where basically, let's just show this image for people. You could pipe in like video content with some prompts and it will feed in like a brain. It will feed in and funnel out like scripts, for example. We don't, a lot of the stuff we kind of go deeper. Right now this is like a huge list, so there's like no way we can kind of go deeper into the ones that we go the ones that we test the most are inside the AI community. Those are like we use them all the time. And then let me gum loop. This is interesting. Brother Vince, I miss you, man. Good to see you, Brother Vince. So these are like AI automation workflows. I like this. Scrape the website, ask AI, update sheets. These are like, yeah, very powerful. So shout out to Sasha. Thank you, Sasha. So gum loop. Okay, cool. Note takers, NOTEZTAQER. At the very end, I'm going to show all this so you guys can take screenshots. So, ooh, quickly summarize notes. Oh, wait. Notes taker? Notes taker. Did I not quickly summarize notes? There's this one. Prepare your notes. I think that was okay. AI wearables, yeah, so that's going to be here. AI wearables, you're right. That's a way better. Oh, that's a new category, but that's a thing. Yep, that's now a thing. Yeah, eventually we're going to a lot of these like deep ones and stuff. AI wearables, AI hardware. Yep. Thank you, Kai. Good to see you, Kai. All of them play nicely with Zapier and Make.com. That's actually really dope. Sasha. Lovable.dev. Is that lovable? Regularly? Lovable.dev. Because there's lovable.app. Okay, it's lovable.dev. Okay, cool. So we have that one. Let me actually close some tabs for a second. Hold on, let's close some tabs. Tap, 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 tap. You know, that's usually like 10 minutes into any workstation. All of a sudden you have like 48 tabs, but like we're rocking. Awesome. Appreciate all the feedback, everyone. Oh, Notebook LM. So how do you want to describe Notebook LM? Like a category. Okay, so AI note taking and research. So AI note taking. Well, let's actually put that one over here with but these are meeting notes. That's totally different than AI note taking. Yeah, so AI note taking. That's Notebook LM, which also does podcasts and also does that. Wow, Hunch Tool is free. We're gonna have to do some deep dives and stuff like this. Low code, good to know. Love, I bought one and just didn't think it would be useful. I was wrong, right? It's like once you play with it, like it just all these things, like just try them out and you'll be surprised. It's like, what? I could do this now. Thank you, Eternal Glow. Flutterflow is going to be AI codes. I feel like this should just be one list at the end of the day. That's why I like Notion, but I got to give a presentation anyways. So okay, so Flutterflow. Let's check that one out, just so we all kind of learn together. Flutterflow, easy for developers and entrepreneurs to build mobile apps. Cool. Let's save this. Ooh, nice UI. Flutterflow build apps. Okay, yeah, add it to my tech stack. Flutterflow helps you build high quality, amazing apps. Ooh, very cool. Field and launch fast. That's actually really cool. Thank you, Eternal Glow. Very cool. Whatnot, Flip, and that live selling apps. I like that because that gets into the live stream. So let's say live stream sell sales. Then you got TikTok. Then you have Whatnot. Then you have Flip, Lemon 8. Because like, yep, that's a thing. All of us are like, wait, what? Everyone else is like taking notes. We'll do a summary of all of these once we're pretty close to at least getting all the categories. Add streamer AI to chatbot plays nice with go high level and meta. Thank you, Sasha. Good find. So that one's gonna be here. This is like a fun game. This is you're okay. You guys are gonna get quizzed at the very end. See how many you can remember. No, I'm just kidding. It turns into a. This will be a dope drinking game just to see how many you can name. Chatbait, Closebot, and then Stammer AI. Let's check out that one. That's an interesting one. Stammer AI, white label AI chatbots. Answer question as long as it integrates with Go High Level is like my main requirement. I'm happy with that. There's High Level, yeah. It has to integrate at least with Go High. Oh, so hold on. I want to actually. Okay, so this is what they're using, because fundamentally, just like kind of quick. Well, actually, we'll go deeper into chatbots and stuff because that is actually AI chatbots. Let's just, instead of lead generation, just AI chatbots. Super simple. Okay, so that's helpful. Good find, Sasha. Good find. That was for Plod, right? Plod and that other wearable. I'm like really interested in buying one because that's gonna be the feature. Is like voice to text. No takers was for Plod. My bad. No worries. A lovable and Replit are the most popular. It's a daily compiler with podcasting. Nice. App builder. I feel also there should be a category for podcast tools. Because, like, maybe not AI, but I'll just start this. Because a lot of people want to start podcasts. So I'll just put RSS. Actually, oops. I just refreshed it. So, because I know a lot of people. Because fundamentally, this is for, like, entrepreneurs. Yeah, RSS. I didn't know it's unlimited, so that was like, oh, that's actually a find. Adalo, Glide software. Think about mobile apps that are other better with no-code web apps. So like, where do those go? Like Adalo. What's that one? Adalo AI. Quickly build. Wait, Adalo official. Okay, so this is like in the app building category. Build a mobile app. Okay, I'll put Adalo there. But I want like the best of the best. Like what's the main ones that like 80/20 like people just need? Adalo, Glide AI. Glide AI. Build and deploy custom web-powered business apps. Ooh, business apps. Add apps in minutes. Simplify as simple as editing a screenshot. What? Or a spreadsheet? I'm interested. What is this? So you got a spreadsheet, and then you're using AI to update, and then track that with the oh, that's interesting. Interesting. So you can. Oh wow. Ooh, shiny object. Okay. Okay, so that's gonna be here. Glide. Softer AI. We're all learning and growing together. Learning. Man, I just started with 12 and now we're at like 38. I'm guessing. So this is awesome though. Cuz not everyone's going to be using any, but like at the end of the day, people are going to be using different ones too. From prompt to reality. So this products. Oh, you could build an interface with a data source and automations. It's usually like the fundamentals. That's actually really cool. Softer. That's dope. I could see use for that. Hey, there we go. There's that button right there, which is like super annoying. Okay, softer. Hopefully I spelled it right. Okay, glide and softer. Oh man. No. Of course they put this button right there. It's like the worst. Can I get rid of this? No. Huh. SOFTR, comma. Close. Got it. Okay, cool. Sorry. Bebop Buddha Boo. Monday is a good CRM. HubSpot too. I don't like Monday as a CRM. I do. Will recommend it for ClickUp. I think ClickUp far surpasses Monday though. HubSpot is just like, ugh. HubSpot and Salesforce are eventually gonna go away. Like that's what I feel. For example, Conductor AI guys on TikTok. Let's check it out. Conductor.ai. TikTok. Oh, AI Conductor. Yeah, he's what isn't he like chief AI officer or something like that? Like he calls himself. Or am I missing this? AI Conductor. I feel like. Anyway, I'm sure we came across him. Ben is his name. Yeah, I thought he's like chief AI officer, if I'm not mistaken. No, it's different. You're probably yelling at your screen going, John can't type. vidIQ. Yeah, let's put vidIQ for, because a lot of people need to get into SEO. So it's like, so YouTube SEO is vidIQ. Love me some vidIQ. Let's actually capitalize that. vidIQ is amazing. Are you giving a webinar? Well, next month I have to give this. That's why I've been kind of like building out this slide deck. I have to give a presentation to real estate agents, mortgage lenders, title companies, attorneys, accountants. So my whole calendar next month is like packed with giving live workshops. So this is kind of like the 10,000 foot view of like AI, and we'll like summarize a lot of this too. I think we're pretty good, or at least I know that I'm saying that too early, but I think I'm saying, hi Jonathan, I just built my website on Lovable. Oh, dope, nice. A lot of people are building websites on Lovable, and like I'm not gonna lie, it looks amazing. I am like super. I think it was like Oksana. She built a website using Lovable, and it was super impressive. I was like, I think I'm out of a job as a funnel builder officially. I'm like, damn. I think I just maybe have copywriting left. Start following today. Nice. Conductor. Oh, okay, cool. So conductor.ai. I'm trying my best to catch up with everyone. You guys are work. Conductor.ai. Okay, wait. Conductor AI. Maybe that way. Am I missing something? Didn't it come up? I think I spelled that right. Conductor.ai. Okay, we'll come back to it. Don't worry. Okay, what's the best CRM for coaching and consulting? Go High Level or System.io. It's really, how are you going to build it, or do you want an agency to build it for you? If you want an agency to build it, Go High Level. I'm not going to recommend Go High Level to like business owners do it, because that's a high learning curve. If you're going to feel confident to build your website and system, then go with System.io. I mean, Go High Level's great, but it's just, there's nothing wrong with it. It just has a high learning curve that I find entrepreneurs are like wasting months with trying to figure out Go High Level before launching their business. Decipher, Sasha says, Decipher AI has majority market share for AI enabled podcast workflow. Oh, nice. Podcast. Because a lot of people want to do Decipher podcast. Decipher AI, an AI agent that analyzes session replays. Watches thousands of session replays for you. So enable, wait, that maybe did we do that right? Decipher AI. It's like you change one letter, turn any audio, video, or text into unlimited B2B content. I don't think. Oh yeah, 100% Dennis. Mortgage, automation, and then it's AI Lender Pro. Hell yeah, AI Lender Pro. Is it up? AI Lender Pro. Please.com. 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 Because we were talking about this last night. Wait. AI Lender Pro. Did you guys do .ai or .com? I think it's pro.com. Okay. Let me know about AI Lender Pro. I need this for life insurance at my cleaning company. You're definitely in the right place. Any social media listening AI? Eternal Glow is asking. That's a good one. Not too sure. Mark, thank you so much for the roses. Appreciate it. It's really, honestly, I just want to just like pause before I know I'm behind on comments, but I really just want to say thank you, each and every one of you, for sharing your wisdom and insight collectively so we can all learn at the end of the day. So this is really helpful so that everyone, because AI changes every single week, each one of you guys are experts in your own field, so you guys sharing the best tools collectively, and then I'll do the step by step so you guys could take a screenshot and save it for your own reference. So again, I'm super grateful and appreciative of everyone. This is a really like a team collaboration, which is really awesome. Okay, hold on, I also need battery power too, and then we'll get back into this. Okay, cool. So now we'll get back into the comments that I could catch up. So oops, I need to go. I'm like, phone. I need to clean my screen. Okay, there we go. I gotta go back to the show. Nice. Okay, cool. We're jamming. Okay, cool. Give me 1 second. I just need to plug in power so that we have infinite power. What's up, Josh? Finally, I can make it to a stream. Josh, this is turning out to be a dope collective mastermind stream where basically everyone is basically helping. I'm putting together the master list for like AI tools as of today. So like this is turning out to be, there's probably a good 30 plus tools here, which is interesting. Okay, so now I could catch up to the comments. Okay, AI Lender Pro. Okay, Eternal Korean Skincare. Okay, Spark Toro. Okay, so wait, because we can help each other too. Spark Toro. Audience research at your fingertips. Oh, this is interesting. What is this? Meet Spark Turo. How do you get better ROI from content SEO, social PR, and performance marketing? Audience research. That's facts. Oh, okay. And then high affinity websites. I'll put it in. Yeah, that's an interesting one. So that would be under audience research. So we'll do audience research. Audience research. We're literally like mining the mastermind or like the brain power of the world right now to like answer this one question of like what are the best AI tools. Everyone is like a Bitcoin server like crunching the numbers right now, like computing. I'll do it for myself for now. Okay, so Mark, if you're gonna do your own website and stuff, system.io is gonna be for what you want. Like honestly, if you're very clean and simple, get you up and running. It's going to be super affordable. That way, just get it up and running more, because it's speed. Not yet. Okay, cool. Dennis, get that website too. That would be dope. Not live yet, but it's still on the older domain. Okay, so that's cool. As long as Tom has an update, no worries. I'm still going to put it in because that's going to be dope. Post Architect, thank you so much. It's conducting.ai. I know I'm like the worst typing on mobile. AI agents perfectly orchestrate. This is what that guy. I saw can we find his channel where they talked about it? Conducting AI, because I remember he did this video and then it blew up, like got a ton of views, and then they turned it into a website. So funny. Awesome that you put this in there. Okay, wait, because I want to share that video. I think that's such a great video. Okay, wait, I gotta like close some tabs. Deep up, boop, 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 boop. That would be cool if it made a noise every time. Conducting AI. Let's see if it will come up. Because I want to see that video to show people, because that was really nifty. Conducting AI N8N. There's that guy, there's that guy, there's that guy. Yeah, he was at the office when he showed that. Dang, let me know if you guys come up with him, because I want to share that video. I think that's really cool, because basically people wanted this snapshot where basically, oh, we could kind of zoom in. So this is theoretically an automated org chart, basically. So this is it's an organizational chart of agents for different functions of the business, from sales and admin, marketing, product, and back office. And then you have your AI agents where you have your head of content, head of social, head of advertising. This is dope. Like, I think this is AI org chart, organizational chart. This has to be a slide in and of itself. Can we just copy this image? This has to be a slide. We'll just put it here. Dang it. That, I really want that image. Hold on. Can we? Man, how can we take that image? Open image in a new tool. Dang it. We'll just take a screenshot because that's like, okay, hold on. Let me take a screenshot of this. Actually, hold on. Let me put this on my bigger screen so I could take a bigger screenshot. Oh shoot. Did I just break my computer? Okay, hold on. Give me 1 second. Because like that's really good to conceptualize, like, okay, here, and then zoom in. And then let me just move this. Okay, cool. Let me take a screenshot. 1 moment. Here to here. And then screenshot, and then here. Boom. That's perfect. AI org chart. And then you can zoom in, right? Yeah, you can kind of read it still. That's good enough. Because like this is your AI agent, like, whole thing. That's your AI company basically. So hold on, what do you want to call that? AI teams conducting AI org. So org chart design, plug and play workflow. I'm gonna do AI org chart. Right now, AI org chart and teams conducting.ai, because that's super dope. Okay, cool. Thank you, Post Architect, for finding one. That's a great one. Oh, I am really behind. I am still really behind. Okay, SparkToro's idea for audience research. SparkToro, I think that's the one we did. So audience research. Okay, yeah. It's 1K per year. Jesus. Key in terms, search those contents and what those users consume. Creator, what's up? Yeah, what's up? It's still in the wait list, which I'm concerned about because I need to access the domain and should be able to update. Have Tom put the login in 1Password and then share it to you. That'd be the easiest. If he had the domain, I simply lose all access to it, right? Theoretically, yes. You need, so Dennis, you need access to what? Yeah, because it's like you're gonna share passwords for the domain, and then you can lose that. So I don't know. Has it on a domain he owns. I can't deploy updates. Only provide security. Yeah, you guys got to share passwords to like collaborate. Is it no code automation for the tree? Is that it? Let's see, Kyle. Let me just check it out. No code automations. Is that TikTok? Let's see, because you were talking about the tree, and then TikTok. Because I feel like that's a make.com tree, but let's see. That's not a make.com tree. That's totally something different. No code automations. I feel like that's gonna be. This is from Kyle. Yeah, these are, so the no code automations. That's basically make.com. All these tree stuff. That's in right here for Kyle. Automations, these are like the category. What you're talking about is make.com, basically, which is good. Boo. Export from Safari as PDF for, I think that's Mickey. Yep, I'm still getting it. Unless I sell the tool, don't sell the tool to him completely and he takes over. We should have a Zoom. Yeah, you guys got to work out if like you guys are like going to be partners on it and scale, or like how you guys want to do responsibilities. Like you guys got to, and as always remember, like an attorney, get it in writing because that's going to be a big thing. I don't know about the $1,000 per month per se. I feel like the license may be like two to even if it's like $200 to $300 per month. I feel like it's going to be a good, but we can jump on a Zoom and after. Um, I would say not out of it per se, but I'm like focusing on simple tech skills. Benjamin AI is Ben AI agents. Oh, nice. So, because I want to show that video, it's like really dope. Thank you. I have an actual org chart, post architect, so he's like saying it is Benjamin's Ben AI agents. Because I wanted to save that video. I was like, because that blew up pretty quickly over. Yeah, this video, they should follow him. So take a second, follow him, take a screenshot. 3 seconds, take a screenshot. Benjamin's AI found table, and then get the free org chart. Actually, can we get the org chart? I love a good funnel. Hold on. I love me a good funnel. Oh wait, it is a funnel? I didn't see it. We're like jamming through. Can I get? Yeah. Okay, hold on. I don't want to show you guys my email. Doesn't really matter because you guys can just go to my website and get it. So hold on. Let me sign in because I love me a good org chart. Or I love me a good. That's a lead magnet. What do you get for accept? What is this built with? Oh, it's built with Circle? What? Yes, I want to join your Circle community. Yes, continue. Oh, finally getting it. Dude, that's a dope lead magnet. Oh, snap. I'm in Circle. Holy snakies. He has like 676 people in this community. Shout out to him. He did the free funnel strategy. Nice. And then here, download the org chart. Wow, that was my first Circle funnel. I'm not gonna lie, that was actually pretty gangster and pretty slick. I got to go back to so here, and then what is this build with? Hold on, just for me as a marketing kind of guy, I'm just like, wait, that was pretty slick. Okay, Webflow for the website, beautiful. Okay, and then from there it went straight into a Circle lead magnet, and then you have different org. What's in here? Hold on, let's poke around for a second. This is actually really dope. I'm like, download the org chart here. So where does that take you? What's a jam? What's a .jam file? Is that a Figma? Oh, if you got a Figma link. I don't have Figma. Do you need a free Figma account? Oh, here, raw. Ooh, give me that raw PNG. Oh, ooh, raw that PNG. Oh, snap. Ooh, oh, damn. Okay, wait, we got to save this to Notion. Conducting org chart. So this is AI org chart. Save it in my tech stack, but also save it again in my documents because I want to come back to it at another time. So AI org chart. Dang, because that's like, so it's just a Figma file, which is interesting. Can we zoom in? I can't zoom in. Oh, there, you can zoom in. It's just, hey, that looks like 11 Labs. So you click and you, oh, so what? So you have your Figma org chart. You talk to your 11 Labs assistant, and that triggers the automation. Is that what I'm looking at? What is going on in here? There's like 11 Labs and ChatGPT to start the call. So you use 11 Labs to start the call with your head of, I'm going to call my head of admin. He's going to have his voice. It's going to use probably ChatGPT, and then it's going to trigger, I don't know what that logo is. And then you have, and then agent tools are Slack, that's that, Very interesting. Oh, we're going to poke around. It's like, it's so massive. It's so massive. Wow. Wow. That's what she said. Okay, cool. Interesting. Wow. AI courses coming soon. Nice. Now I'm pretty much locked in. I'll get his notifications now that I'm in his Circle funnel community. Pretty slick. That was actually really slick. Okay, now I want to show this video because I think that is so cool. Okay, hold on.
Today we are building out the chief agent and 3 AI heads that are then talking to all of their individual agents. So it's a bit of a low-hanging fruit sort of day. Not a lot of work to actually make that happen, but a lot of result and proof of concept. So it's going to scratch my itch to really prove that this is working within the framework that I built. This is pretty much the stock standard way of having a multi-agent system. You have your parent agents that are then talking to your child agents and then reporting back up the line to then send the output to the humans. So should be fairly smooth sailing. But yeah, really big day in the wider, wider proof of concept of this entire system. So super exciting.
And then look,
That
this is a fun comment. One guy's like, "Yo, Sabrina, can you do me a big favor and maybe do a deep dive in this process sometime in March? I think the tech stack is Figma, and Relevance is using 11 Labs too. Maybe you could add a link to the newsletter for a deep dive." And she's like, "Nah, that's unnecessarily complicated." Sabrina's a gangster. Okay, Benjamin. That's funny. Okay, so for the website for the lead magnet, 100%. Let me just follow him. So it's Ben Jamin. That's from a movie. I forgot where. Sabrina's like, no, this is unnecessarily complicated. Straight up, she just shot, and she's like the software developer of like the group, so like she knows. I mean, that's funny. But that was pretty slick. Funnel. Taking off. Good to see you, Dennis. Thank you so much. I'll be on Zoom. Maybe. We'll see. I'll possibly post a Zoom in the community. They have it set up so you can adjust it to your needs. So, yeah, because it's like at that point you're just going to build it with like an actual website and the automation per se, which is interesting. Okay, so some people are bouncing, so I want to just like before you guys leave, take a screenshot because this was like a collective combination. Okay, so just to review, take a screenshot of each part so that you guys are now all the way up to date with AI. So okay, so step one, slide one, this is what I feel is like just like the categories, like where you need to start with and then how you need to focus on and growing and like where do you need to tackle all the way up to employees and stuff. So that's number one. So 7 seconds, take a screenshot. 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. There's people freaking out like, how do I take a screenshot? Quick, Google it. Okay, cool. And then let's also go, I could get rid of this. This is now obsolete. So delete. Oh, password manager. Hold on. I just have to because you need a law password manager. It's not AI, but you need to like securely just like make sure you can get logged into everything. Okay, cool. So okay, hold on, make sure you can see. Okay, cool. Okay, take a screenshot. This is page 1 of the tools. 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Hit that like button a couple times just to kind of boost the algorithm because to celebrate, this was a huge collective achievement for everyone. Okay, 7 seconds, take a screenshot. 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Again, hit that like button to celebrate, to clap really, it's like a round of applause for everyone. Okay, last page. 7 seconds, take a screenshot. 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. For everyone inside of the AI community, I'll put this slide deck in there so you guys could just like download the slides. Nice. Let's give everyone a round of applause. That was a collective effort. We literally just collectively mastermind came together to answer the question, what are the best AI tools that people are using, both entrepreneurs and professionals, to get more done in a day than most do in a week? This list will change. We'll probably do this update here and there, probably maybe once a week. We'll see for there, but round of applause, everyone. That was, again, everyone, it was an expert at their own niche and brought so much to just answer this question. Now you guys have screenshots. Let me know if anyone missed the screenshots. I could do it again real quick, so that you guys now know what are the best AI tools. And then over the next couple, because I go live every day from 6 p.m. To pretty much to the very end, or 6 p.m. I'm also taking a break right now, so that so we'll go over the next week. We'll do some deep dives into a lot of these different tools. Thank you so much, everyone, for showing up. And if you want like the slides and a lot more, then the PROFILE, you could join the AI community. So we have just a quick plug. So when you go to the profile, if you're like, Joe, John, I want some training on a lot of this, maybe not all the tools, but at least the ones that we've been doing inside the AI community. If you go here, you could join the AI community where basically we do twice a week office hours. We do deep dives. We just launched a new course. So if you go there, we just have the AI community now. And then we just added a new course, which is the How to Clone Yourself with 11 Labs and HeyGen. So it's a half an hour course, crash course. It's like really good. Next Saturday, we're going to do a hackathon where we're going to automate this. Stage 1 was just to see it. So you guys could join the AI community. The link is in PROFILE. Wow. 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 That was a huge update. Now we're all up to date with AI. We can now start using some of these tools. So a lot of them were brand new for each and every one of us, but they have the problem that we want to solve using AI. Thank you, Sasha, and thank you to everyone for we all leveled up in the best AI tools. So I'm gonna take a break. I'm John, Dr. AI. I go live every day at 6 p.m. Pacific Standard Time, so follow along so you guys can stay up with AI. And I'll see you guys in the next lesson. Have a great day, everyone. Take care. Whew. You gotta mute yourself, Sharon. It's just me and you. Wow. And Josh and Hank. What's up, Hank? What's up, Josh? Wow. Oh yeah, beautiful AI. I feel like that one's gonna be in slides. I mean, granted, this list is never gonna be ending. Let me just take my. Wow. Let me PDF this so I could put this in for the community. Whoop. Ugh. Oh, I'll put it as a post just to make it easy. That was a brain mastermind. Wow. 19 followers, live streams. Wow. That was pretty impressive. My phone is like cooking hot. Like I could microwave something on it. It's so, but wow. Okay, you guys are watching. So Josh, Hank, if you guys are still there, this is freaking awesome. I wish I could have been. No, you were here. You were here. Plus, also right now, for the next like couple minutes, I'm gonna actually put this inside the community, so you guys will get the list in the community. So of course, I always want to make sure I take care of my community members. You guys are awesome. So what I'm going to do is organize all these. Just quickly pop them into ChatGPT to just do a nice format and organize these. And then I'm going to put this as a post inside the community. Hank says this was a lot of great tools. I really get on that Notion because I'm doing all this with bookmarking. There's a lot of people in the community that are using like Google Docs, and I was like, oh, get away from Google Docs. Organize this tool list and improve the categories. Okay, cool. Let's put that there. So, and then here, this was, wow, an absolute gold mine. Like we literally just mined the internet. It was almost like a Reddit mining of brain power. Like solve the prime function. Okay, cool. I'm gonna put this. And then for all the community members, you guys are going to get so much in this post, which I'm excited for. Okay, and then boom, ChatGPT is going to nicely organize all these. And then we're going to, I think I'll also put it in as a course too. So let's go to Circle. Oh, Sharon's gone. Okay, no more Zoom. Perfect. Okay, cool. Bye, Sharon. And meeting for all. Okay, so it's just me and you guys on YouTube right now, hanging out. Wow, that was fascinating. Okay, here. So I'm going to. I feel like it should be a separate thing. Just master AI tool list. Yeah, let's do that. Let's create a new course. I don't know if we're getting like super crazy with courses, but I think this will work. Post it should be probably a post. AI tools. Open everyone here, here. Tools. There's that X and hammer that looks really cool. AI tools. It's in the courses. Create the space. We'll put this up at the very top. And then from here, it's just going to be one master post. I think that's going to be the easiest. Top AI tools master list. And then from here, that was kind of, I want to take my subscription back because that was just like a, ooh, interesting kind of thing. Unfollow. Okay, here. Oh, nice. Cool, let's publish. And let's pin this. I know, as if you guys weren't overwhelmed with tools already. Here's more tools for shiny objects to feel overwhelmed with. Like, wild. Okay, then what I want to do is I want to redo this list based on those categories because that just looks a lot better. Oh, let's do this. It's gonna make me excuse me. That better? Is that the format? I think that's gonna be the format. Yeah, because then you got graphics and editing. Oh man. This is why I don't like Canva for like organizing this. And let's do this. What was it? Beautiful? Or was it? Or was it beautiful? Beautiful AI. That's what it was. Okay. Oh, yay. It did format it. Nice. What a show. Oops. Duplicate. conducting for AI wasn't really a thing. If you think about it, it's nifty, but it's not really a thing. It's not like a tool that people can use at the end of the day. Actually, that password is actually going to be that's better. Very interesting show. Starting to learn a ton of stuff. AI wearables is a thing. I feel like these guys should actually be into productivity. And then here, development, marketing. I feel like that should be here. This actually should be separated out. So this one's going to be productivity, which is these guys. And then this is going to be automations. That makes much more sense. So, language power, content creation. I feel like productivity should be first. Business and marketing second. Recording and content next. Avatar and tools, actually content here. And then it goes recording and content. Then you have AI power tools. Then you have automations. And then you have development. And then you have wearables. Yep. That covers the gamut, really. Oops. I feel like Grammarly, AI writing, that should be for Cider and Grammarly. SparkToro is like so weird. Okay, wait, let me actually think for a second to see like how we can, that makes sense. Large language models, ChatGPT, DeepSeek, Perplexity, AI writing assistants, or you're doing colon. I'll put Claude here too. AI writing system, AI note-taking notebook. Note-taking? There's meeting note-taking, which is those two. Digital notebooks? Yeah. Whatever. Tick, password. Okay, yeah, that works. Business, marketing systems, high-level system IO, live stream, TikTok, whatnot, Flip, Elevate. Yep. Content scheduling buffer. Yep. YouTube. Website builder, Sigma, and Webflow. I'll put Blotato there. Website, Figma, Webflow, and Reloom. Yep, that looks right. I feel like this is for marketing, not business. Just for marketing. Yep. Then AI powered for content creation and editing. Images, video, editing, repurpose, infographics, graphic, and presentation. Yep, that makes sense. Streaming and recording content. Live streaming. Recording. I'm just actually going to go to Streamlabs, TikTok, and then OBS. Because then you can get rid of this one. Yeah, simplifies that. AI-powered avatars, Hagen 11 Labs, Captions AI? What's Captions AI? My brain is like, what are these new neurons that we're connecting? Yeah, AI avatars, that's a thing. Oh, headshots. Where does headshots? Momo AI. Headshots Pro. And then there's Aragon. I need one for spreadsheets too. Because data, so duplicate. AI tools. Did we do chatbots and voice? Hold on, I feel like we're missing some here. So spreadsheets, let's do that one. That's going to be the best one for it. Yeah. I feel like there should be one for AI for Google Sheets. Numerous. This one, whatever this one is. GGPT space. Sheets.ai. I could do coefficient. That's really good there. All right, I think that's pretty damn good. For marketing, you technically need SEO is dead, but Search Atlas is there. Sorry, not to run them up, but I live right next to a freeway, so I heard that motorcycle pass my laugh so hard. Good to see you, Josh. Always good spending time. Hope you have a blessed day. Keep crushing it. And yeah, I definitely recommend Joseph's recommendation, which was the blue microphone, or that mic that's an orb, the snow globe. Really, it sounds great audio, honestly. So have a great day, Josh, and everyone else. I'm just kind of finishing. Where was the chatbot ones? Where was chatbots? Chatbots. Stammer AI. Was that one? White label chatbots. I don't like that. But I will do custom GPT. .ai. I will say that one for chatbots better off. I gotta take a shower in a moment anyways. Wow, that, my brain hurts. That was so wild. Okay, that's up to date. Okay, wait, so let me double check. AI-powered avatars, voice agents, language dubbing. Yep, that's good. Automations. MCP protocol. Yep. App development. This actually. So wait, no, this is automations. These need to be moved. Because you have app builders and code, and then here under automations, you have web scraping, operators, and chatbots. But then chatbots, that's cool, yeah, I'm okay with that. And then here, wearables, but that's just a thing. And data analysis. Okay, yeah, that covers everything as far as categories AI tools. Holy shnikes. That is amazing. Not gonna lie, that is absolutely amazing. And then this thing looks dope. So how can I clean this up? hardware, computer, software, marketing systems, content, yeah, automations, chatbots, AI agents, voice AI agents, AI employees. That makes much more sense. And then this goes like that. Okay, and then you don't need this. Because you just need a slide, which is going to say, I know this is like the nerdy stuff. Let's go computer. Man, the MacBook Pros are now cheap. Not cheap per se, but like affordable. I know a lot of people are just like, that's not affordable, John. And I'm like, it's relative affordable. Desktop, laptop, that's really all you need. I like that. Then you got your computer set up. Then you got your office, workstation. Then you have, oops. Software. Don't need this. Don't need this. This is going to be marketing. That's going to start with this. Also this. Then lead magnet sales page. I'll clean that up later. Don't care about that. Content. Showing your face. The value ladder. Only 3% of buyers are ready to buy. Live streams. I feel like that should be a section in and of itself. It's all under marketing though. Well, this should be content actually. So hold on. There's marketing systems. That's what it is. Whatever, close enough. Then from your marketing system is content. Then from content, is this, which is live streams. This is marketing. This is content. This is the value ladder. This is live streams. Streamlabs. This doesn't matter. This doesn't matter. Automations. Make.com, NAN, MCP. What's this? Chatbots. Closebot. What was that other one you said though? That's what they were using. Dang, what did you say it was? Called tech stack. Okay, actually this thing is not anything. Conducting AI, that was nothing. Dang, I didn't save it. Hold on, let me go to ChatGPT because I want that tool. That one tool talks on all social media channels, and I was like, wait a minute, that's what I'm looking for. Stammer. That's it. But there's 2 social media channels, it's not all. No, it's not Stammer. Never mind then. Darn. That's fine. Then you have this. I'll put Vappy where chatbots are and automations. And then last is AI employees. That's the whole gamut. That's the entire AI space as of today. Let me record this as a YouTube video and then publish this. Wow. Actually, I'm done for today, actually. I am tired. I I need to just let my brain rest.